Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Muhammad Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 6. Our today's topic is Assignment 3 Part 1. Our lecture number is 53 for the annual term examination. Okay, so in your assignment Part 1, I think I need to talk about how to write down an assignment, but you have only 3 questions in your assignment. In assignment 3 you have only 3 creative questions. We will solve question number 1 and question number 3 today. We will solve assignment from the assignment 3, question number 1 and question number 3 today. Okay, and dear students, you will arrange the answer by yourself. Okay, you will write the words in yourself. I will only do the calculation in the board. Okay, now look at the stream of question number 1. 5x square minus twice xy plus thrice y square. It's an expression. X square minus thrice xy. This is another expression, and the third expression is minus y square plus 5xy are 3 algebraic expressions. These 3 expressions are given. Okay, now activity A is how many terms are there in the first expression and what are they? How many terms in the first expression? First expression is 5x square minus twice xy plus thrice y square. This is our first expression. Look, this 5x square in the front has no sign. That means this has a plus sign. We can consider a plus sign before 5x square. Okay, so how many plus sign and minus sign we have to calculate? One plus sign, one minus sign and another plus sign. That means there are 3 signs in total. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 signs in total. 2 plus sign and a minus sign. That is why the first expression has 3 terms. The first expression has how many terms? 3 terms in total, and we have to find out what are they. What are they? We have to find out. That means the terms we have to find out. The terms are what? The terms are, number 1 term is 5x square, 5x square. The second term is twice xy. Second term is twice xy, and the third term is thrice y square. The third term is thrice y square. Why are these terms? Because plus and minus sign separate the terms. Plus and minus sign separate the terms. This plus sign and minus sign, this separate these terms. 5x square is the first term. Okay, this minus sign and plus sign separate this term. That means twice xy is the second term, and the third term is thrice y square. I think you have understood the activity A. Activity A is there are 3 terms in the first expression and the terms are these ones. Now activity B is find the sum of the given 3 expression. We have to find out the sum of the given 3 expression. To do that we have to arrange at first the similar terms in the same column. The first expression is 5x square minus twice xy plus thrice y square. Okay, this is the first expression. The second expression is given x square minus thrice xy. This is the second expression. We need to arrange these in the same column, the similar terms. First of all, we have plus x square. X square is the similar term of 5x square. That is why we should write down x square below 5x square. Now minus thrice xy. Minus thrice xy is the similar term of minus twice xy. That is why you should write down minus thrice xy below minus twice xy. Now our third expression is minus y square plus 5xy. This is our third expression. Okay, now we need to write down in the third line, in the third row, the third expression, and we should arrange the similar terms. Minus y square is the similar term, minus y square is similar term of plus 3y square. That is why we should write down minus y square below plus 3y square. Now plus 5xy is the similar term of minus twice xy, so we should write down plus 5xy below minus twice xy. Okay, now we need to add only. This is very simple to add. You know how to add already. Look, this y square has plus 3 as the coefficient of y square, so our first numeral will be plus 3. This y square has minus 1 as the coefficient of y square, so minus 1 will be our second numerals. That means this is equal to how much? 2. This is equal to plus 2. So plus 2y square will be our result. Now we should add xy terms we should add. Now first xy has minus 2 as the coefficient of xy, so minus 2 will be our first numerals. Now minus 3 the coefficient of xy here, so minus 3 will be our second numerals. And the third xy has plus 5 as the coefficient of xy, so plus 5 will be our third numerals. This is equal to how much? Minus 2 and minus 3 makes minus 5 plus this 5. Okay, plus 5 and minus 5 makes 0. So it will be plus 0 xy term. Okay, now we should add the x square terms. First x square has plus 5 as the coefficient of x square, so plus 5 will be our first numerals. Now second x square has plus 1 as the coefficient of x square, so plus 1 will be our second numerals. It will be plus 6. Okay, it will be plus 6 x square. Before any number, no need to write down plus. Okay, so our required answer will be 6 x square, 0 with x square multiplied. That means it will be 0 plus this twice y square. So it will be our required sum, 6 x square plus 2 y square. It will be our required sum of activity B. Now activity C is what? Activity C is find the value of subtraction of third expression from the first expression when x equal to 3 and y equal to 2. That means when x equal to 3 and y equal to 2, we have to find out the subtraction of the third expression from the first expression. First of all, we need to subtract the third expression from the first expression. Okay, first of all we need to subtract the third expression from the first expression. Given there is given that what? Given that x equal to 3 and y equal to 2. These two are given. Okay, x equal to 3 and y equal to 2. Now the subtraction is what? From the first expression we have to subtract the third expression. First expression is what? 5x square minus twice xy plus thrice y square, right? Now we need to subtract the third expression. The third expression is here, minus y square plus 5xy. For subtraction we need to arrange in the similar term, the same column. Okay, so minus y square is the similar term of plus 3y square. That is why you should write down minus y square below plus 3y square, and plus 5xy is the similar term of minus twice xy. That is why plus 5xy should be written down below minus twice xy. After that we are subtracting this one, right? This one is subtraction. So what should we do? We should exchange the sign of the second term. That means this term's sign will be exchanged. Okay, this minus sign will be our plus sign now, and this plus sign will be our minus sign now. Now only need to do add. We need to do only addition now. This is the similar term of y square. This first y square has plus 3 as the coefficient of y square, so plus 3 will be our first numerals. Now the second numeral will be what? Minus 1, because minus 1 is the coefficient of y square, so minus 1. But look, this is not yet minus now, it became a plus sign now. So dear student, plus 1 is the coefficient of y square now. When we subtract this, the sign will be changed, and then we should add. This plus 1 is the coefficient of y square now, so our second numeral will be plus 1. That means this will be plus 4. Okay, so plus 4 y square will be our result. Now we should add the xy terms. Okay, xy terms, first xy has minus 2 as the coefficient of xy, so our first numeral will be minus 2, and second xy has minus 5 as the coefficient of xy, so our second numeral will be minus 5. Minus 2 and minus 5 makes minus 7. So dear students, it will be minus 7 xy will be our result. Now with the 5x square, no term will be added or subtracted. That means it will be 5x square. It will remain unchanged. After that means the result of the subtraction is 5x square minus 7xy plus 4y square. Now we should put the value of x and y in this result. Now 5x means what? X means 3. X means 3 and the square is here. 7x means 3, y means 2, plus 4y square. 4y square means 2, y means 2 square. Okay. After that, it's 5 multiplication with 3 square means 9. 3 3s are 9, minus 7 and 3. 7 3s are 21. 21 2s are 42. Plus sign, it's 4 multiplication with 2 square. 2 square means 4. 2 2s are 4. Now 5 multiplication with 9 is 45, minus 42, plus 4 4s are 16. Okay, now arrange the plus sign and minus sign. This 45 has plus sign and this 16 has plus sign before, so plus 16, and this minus sign will arise later, minus 42. So the addition is what? 45 plus 16 equal to 61 minus 42. That means this result will be 19. Okay, this is a simple calculation. That means our result of subtraction, when we put the value of x equal to 3, y equal to 2, our result will be 19 of activity C. I think you have understood, dear students. Now we will solve question number 3. Okay, now we are going to solve question number 3. Look, question number 3 is a student writes the following numbers taking from 40 to 60. That means these numbers are taking from 40 to 60. The numbers are 50, 45, 48, 49, 60, 58, 57, 45, 47, 45, 43, 42 and 47. There are how many numbers? There are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 numbers are here. Okay. Now activity A is organize the given data. Organize the given data means we have to organize the data. We have to arrange the data in ascending order or in descending order. We can arrange the data in ascending order or descending order. Okay, it's your choice. I am arranging this data in ascending order. Okay, I am organizing the data in ascending order. So you should write down here, when we organize this data in ascending order, we will get how much? Look, ascending order means from smaller to greater. The smallest number is here 42. Okay, after that it is 43, 42, 43. Okay, now after that is 45, then again we have 45 here, so 45, again another 45 we have, so 45 again. Okay, now we have 47, we have 47, cut it, 47, it's again 47, so 47. After that we have 48, then we have 49, then we have 50, 50. After that we have, it's 57, it will be 57, then 58, then it's 60. That means we already arranged this data from smaller to greater. Okay, you can write down, when we organize the data from smaller to greater, we will get this one. Or you can write down, when we organize the data in ascending order, we will get this one. Both are correct, but the words have to write down by yourself. Okay, now activity B is determine the mean of the given data. Determine the mean of the given data. Okay, you have to calculate the mean. So you can use your book, page number 162, to find out the mean, and you can write down the words from there. Okay, you can write down in activity B that mean is obtained from the sum of the calculated data divided by the number of data. That is mean equal to what? That is mean equal to the sum of the data, the sum of the data divided by the number of data. So that means we have to calculate the sum of the data and the number of the data. Number of the data is how much? The number of the data is, count this one, these are 13 data. That means 13 numbers are given. So number of data is how much? 13. The number of data is what? The number of data. The number of data is given here, or the number of numbers. The number of numbers is 13. Okay, and the sum of the data is very clear. We have to find out the sum of these. That means we have to add 42 plus 43 plus 45 and so on. Okay, you have to add all the numbers and you will get 636. You will get how much? 636 when we add all the numbers. Okay, dear students, now what should we do? Now we should put the value of the sum of the data and the number of data, then we get the answer. The sum of the data is 636 and the number of data is 13. It's a simple division and you have to calculate it. You can use the simple calculator and you have to write down the answer. Okay, I think you can do this by using the calculator. Now I am solving the activity C. Activity C is determine the median and mode of the given data. We have to find out the median and have to find out the mode. Okay, to find out the median you can use your book page number 163. Okay, page number 163 you can use to solve the median of the data, to calculate the median of the data. I am solving this one in the board. Okay, look, there are how many datas? There are total 13 datas, right? That is, there are 13 numbers are given here. 13 is an odd number. 13 is an odd number. That is why our median will be number of the numbers. Okay, number of the numbers plus 1 divided by tooth term. First of all, we need to arrange to solve activity C to find out the median. First of all, we need this one. Okay, we need this one. That means first of all we have to write down from activity A we get the ascending order is this one, right? Then median equal to how much? Median equal to number of data plus 1, number plus 1 divided by tooth term, because the number is an odd number. That is why our formula is this one. Okay, so number of the number is how much? 13 plus that 1 divided by 2 term. This term will be our median. That means it is nothing but 14 by 2th term. Okay, so it is which term? It is 7th term. When you divide 14 by 2 you will get 7. It is 7th term. 7th term will be our median. 7th term will be our median. So which is the 7th term here? When we arrange this data we will get the 7th term. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th. 7th term is which one? 7th term is 47. That means 47 is our median. So 47 will be our median by calculating this one. Okay, I think you have understood. Now we will calculate the mode. We will calculate the mode. To calculate the mode you can use your book page number 164. Okay, 164 and 165. In the top of 165 page you will get a total solution to find out the mode. Look, when we arrange this data in ascending order we get 42 repeat only one time, 43 repeat only one time, 45 repeats 3 times, 45 repeats 3 times, 47 repeats 2 times, right? 48 only one time, 49 one time, 50 one time, 57 one time, 58 one time, and 60 is also one time. That means you can write down 45 repeated 3 times, 47 repeated 2 times, and the other numbers repeated only one time. So our mode will be what? Our mode will be 45, because 45 arised here more times. 45 arise here more times. That is why our mode is 45. It's so easy to calculate when we arrange this data into the ascending order, okay, or in the descending order. Then our to find out the mode and median is very easy when we arrange the data in ascending order or descending order. Dear students, I think you have understood my today's lecture. In the next lecture, that means in the next lecture our topic will be assignment 3 question part 2. Assignment 3 part 2 we will solve question number 2. And dear students, your topic of this assignment will be chapter 4, chapter 7, chapter 8 creative question. I repeat again, chapter 4, chapter 7, chapter 8 creative questions. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you again inshallah. Allah Hafiz.